This unique container home is a modern and innovative residential property built exclusively using shipping containers. The house measures 1,280 square feet with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The foundation is supported by 16 by 16 steel reinforced concrete piers to ensure a robust and stable structure. The house also features an unfinished basement that can be potential for rental income or creation of an in-law suite with its own separate entrance. Large front doors serve as the main entry to the house. The interior design of this container home is beautiful, with a blend of modern and industrial styles, creating a unique and inviting atmosphere. The living space is expansive, with the kitchen opening directly into the dining and the lounge areas. The kitchen is modern and functional, with white cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and a matching kitchen backsplash that ties the space together. The ample counter space and a large sink suggest a practical design for cooking and entertaining. From the kitchen is a large living area fitted with a comfortable couch for lounging, a floor rug, a custom coffee table, and enough space to add more furniture. The remaining space in the living area is spacious enough to accommodate a dining table. The French doors and additional windows in the living area provide generous natural light and easy access to outdoor spaces, reinforcing the indoor-outdoor living experience. The corrugated metal ceiling continues throughout the house, maintaining the industrial theme, while the gray-toned wood flooring provides warmth and coherence to the design. From the lounge area is a compact guest bathroom fitted with a vanity, a toilet, and a glass shower cubicle. Off the living area is the master bedroom. The master bedroom has a simple yet elegant decor with a neutral color palette that promotes relaxation. The master bedroom features a comfortable queen bed with lots of pillows for relaxation. The track lighting provides focused illumination, and the artwork on the wall adds a splash of color and personality to the room. A wooden sliding barn door leads to the master bathroom. The bathroom features a bold and vibrant aesthetic with its bright blue vanity that offers a pop of color against the gray neutral tones on the walls and the floor. The shower area features a floor-to-ceiling mosaic tile that provides a detailed and textured look, complementing the minimalist design. The second bedroom is cozy and well lit, with natural light streaming through the window, which also offers a view of the surrounding outdoors. It features a comfortable double bed, light-colored walls, and bed linens that help in keeping the room bright, while the decorative pillows introduce a modest color contrast. The interior design of this home reflects a thoughtful balance between the home's industrial origins and contemporary living needs, resulting in a functional, stylish, and cohesive living environment. The dark hue of the containers gives the house a sleek and contemporary look, while the wooden paneling adds some warmth and character to the out. This combination is both eye-catching and practical, with the dark colors likely to mask wear and tear, while the wood provides a timeless touch. The landscaping is minimalist yet purposeful, with gravel beds and well-placed shrubbery that provides low-maintenance beauty. The deck on the front provides a welcoming entrance and potential for outdoor living space. Would you buy this amazing listing for $379,000 US? Give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you love shipping container projects like these ones, you are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We showcase amazing weekly projects of shipping container homes from all over the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.